Hey guys, welcome back to Atarian News Channel. Today's story is all about something game changing in the world of software development and cybersecurity. A move by Black Duck Software that brings powerful AI right into the everyday tools developers use, all to help make code more secure, more reliable, and more future proof. Black Duck Software, a division of Synopsys, has long been known as a leader in software composition analysis. That means they help companies find and fix vulnerabilities in the open source components of their code. In other words, they help developers make sure that the free code they reuse from the internet doesn't contain hidden security risks. But now in 2025, they've taken a huge leap forward by extending their AI powered capabilities directly into integrated development environments or IDEs with a new upgrade to their code site plugin. The feature is called Black Duck Assist, and it's a real time security assistant that lives right through your coding workspace. So, what does this actually mean? Imagine you're a developer writing code in Visual Studio Code, IntelliJ, or Eclipse, maybe even in one of the new AI first editors like Cursor or Windsurf. As you write, save, or edit files, Black Duck Assist is working quietly in the background, scanning your code in real time. If it detects a potential security issue, say a known vulnerability in an open source library or a risky function call, it not only flags the issue but also provides an explanation of the problem in plain, beginner friendly language. Better still, it offers AI generated suggestions for how to fix it. You don't need to leave your editor, you don't have to dig through documentation. The advice is right there, context aware, and tailored to what you're working on. But it doesn't stop there. Black Duck has also integrated natural language capabilities. That means you can literally ask it questions like, what vulnerabilities exist in this project? Or how can I fix this issue? And get straightforward, actionable answers, not just raw data. This brings a conversational, intuitive layer to code security, something we've rarely seen before at this level of integration. This development was announced on August 5, 2025 and officially unveiled during the Black Hat USA 2025 Cybersecurity Conference. The goal is to help developers shift security left. That means identifying and resolving security issues earlier in the development process when they are cheaper and easier to fix. By putting powerful AI tools directly into developers' workflow, Black Duck is enabling a smoother, faster, and safer software development lifecycle. Now, why does this matter to you, whether you're a developer or someone interested in tech? Well, this move makes security a first class citizen in coding, not something bolted on at the end. It also addresses a huge challenge in today's AI driven coding environments, the fact that code generated by AI tools often skips important security checks. With Black Duck Assist, those checks are built in, intelligent, and developer friendly. If you're a developer and want to try this for yourself, Black Duck Assist is available now through the Code Site IDE plugin. And yes, there's a detailed setup guide to help you get started. You'll find that link in the description box below. Thanks for watching this deep dive into the latest innovation from Black Duck Software. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and hit that bell icon so you never miss another update from the world of tech and cybersecurity. This is Atarian News, and as always, I'll see you in the next one.